Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code into your Windows operating system for free. It's very simple. You just need to come over into your Google Chrome browser, and here you just need to search for Visual Studio Code. You can see over here, if you click on that, then you'll get an option called code.visualstudiocode.com, and you just need to click on this website. And after that, you will get the option called download for Windows or try GitHub Copilot. So I will going to download for Windows, click on that. And after a short time, you can see the download is started. It's about 96.6 MB. So it will take some of minutes. So keep your patience. So you can see that the download is completed. And now what you need to do, we just need to minimize this browser and going to extract the Visual Studio Code downloading interface into desktop. If you click on it 2 times to install, there will be an interface over here called Set up Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to accept the agreement and then click next. If you want to change the location, you can do it as well, but I won't do that. And be sure that you have at least 384.4 MB of free disk space in record. So if you click on next for that, and if you want to don't create a start menu folder, just simply click on that and then click next. And after that, check create a desktop icon, add open with code, and add open with code with Windows Explorer. So after that, you just have to click on next and click install another time, and you can see preparing to install. So it will take some seconds, I guess. I hope it will be completed. It will be installed very soon. And you can see it's almost completed, and now you can see that completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. And if you just simply click on finish, your Visual Studio Code will be opened into your Windows, and you can see there will be your Visual Studio Code opened into your Windows in a very simple way. So this is how you can download and install Visual Studio Code into Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.